Let's go. We're back with another video. It's almost snowing right now. It's like icy rain, kind of. But I'm still out here, even if it's a dull day, boring day, not too much going on. I still want to try to make the most out of it. And those days for me have felt the best. I feel like I'm just able to make the most out of any situation that I have. What really helped me, why I'm able to do this, is because of the purpose that I have. I'm able to work on something, able to get a reason to wake up out of bed. I'm able to get a reason to go outside. When you have some kind of cool project, some cool plan. Like imagine you have a little backyard space or front yard space, and then you want to build a little shed, or you want to build some underground cave. You would probably think that's kind of cool. You'd want to wake up for that. You'd want to go outside for that because that just genuinely seems interesting. Or what if you're building some instrument, creating something, making videos? When you're able to create something and have something that's unique to you, it gives you a lot more purpose in your life. And then when you're able to work towards that, any day, if you spend time doing that, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be great. Really just think, what is something that you can do that can get you up out of bed tomorrow morning? What would get you out of bed? What would you want to work on? Regardless if you don't have time, if you don't have the money to do it, if you don't have space, what would you do? If you could just do anything, if you could spawn a little tree house, if you can start making videos, what would you do? Then start doing that thing. Start planning, start spending time working on that thing. Say yes to those ideas, to those opportunities. Because once you do, you'll have a lot more of a purpose. And you'd have a reason to get up out of bed. You'd want to wake up. It'll feel like Christmas every day, because Christmas, you have a reason to wake up. There's some interesting, surprising gift for you waiting. You know, if it's snowing, if there's a snow day, there's no school. You'd either go back to sleep because there's no school, or you'd wake up because there's snow. You don't have to go to school because you don't like school as much. There's so many new opportunities that you can do at home. Really just try to think more creatively before it's too late. Really. Also, try your best to use what you have around you to your advantage. Like, I have this little space where I can sit here and talk to you, so I'm using it. I've had this space for, 13 years, however long I've been living here. And I've only been using it for the past 3 years. I've only been using it. I haven't used this place for 10 years. Yes, I was like 4 years old, but still. There's a lot of other places in my house that I haven't been using, a lot of things that I haven't been using, especially to my advantage. So also think about, what are things that you have that maybe other people don't, or that you can use more to your advantage? What is a way you can position yourself as someone who's an expert in something? Or how can you position yourself to live a life that you want? The hardest part is just starting it out. You're going to have to push yourself a little bit. But once you do that little hard part, just of starting out, it becomes a lot more easier. All of a sudden, it feels more natural to make a video. It feels better. You feel great doing it. You already see success. You start getting money from making videos. Other people around the world, in Switzerland, in Russia, in Australia, in the United States, in Alaska, or start watching your videos and they like it. People in your school start coming to you saying that they like the videos that you've been making. You start getting paid to do it. I forgot if I said that or not, but you get paid to do this. Also, try to make it something that you wouldn't mind doing for free, just a fun hobby, but you also happen to get paid too. I know it can be a lot. I know your mind can give you 1,000 reasons why you shouldn't, but all of those reasons are why you should do it. You should do it because it's uncomfortable. You should do it because it's scary. That's why you should do it. Because when you're scared, when you're uncomfortable, every single time I feel that, I still feel that now. I'm kind of feeling that right now. It's a sign that you're growing. It's a sign that you're going in the right direction. Because think about it, if you were always comfortable, if you were always feeling okay, you're not growing, you're not changing. You're just staying the same. And you're getting lazy. You're just staying there doing nothing. And I know we can both do more than that. So give yourself time to think. Think about what matters more to you. Does some random person you don't care about tell you about some video that you made matter more than you actually putting more videos out there, having something cool to work on that you like, something that gets you up out of bed, something that gives you a smile on your face and is the reason why you keep living, pretty much? Or is it just some random fear in your head, which probably isn't true? Which one is it? Which one would you rather have? I would rather have the, having a purpose, working, having a reason to wake up, feeling happier, feeling better, making more money, all that stuff. I'd rather have that. And I think you would too. So do it. Do it. There's no reason not to. It's so fun. It makes every day a lot more interesting and special than just boring all the time, all the same. Because all those days where it doesn't feel like you're doing much, but you're working on something, I've had so many of those days, but I have something to show for it. I've been working on something for years, and now I have something to show for it. It helps. Take time to figure things out. It's okay to be bored. It's okay to just spend a minute and think what you want to do in life. What's something you want to try, but you just haven't. And understand that the only thing in life that you can control is your mind. That's the only thing you can control. I can't control that tree in the background. I can control myself, though, to get up, cut it down, but I don't want to because it's a nice tree. But I can only control myself. And use that to your advantage. Make your mind work for you. Make your actions work for you and for the future. Because I don't care what I thought about if I was scared 2 years ago. I don't care. All I care about is now and what's going to happen in the future. For the most part. But all the actions, I'm glad for the actions that I've done years ago. So yeah, I actually do care about it, but not in a kind of embarrassing way. I'm glad that I got embarrassed. I'm glad that I messed up. I'm glad I made mistakes, because I've learned a lot from those, and I'm still learning. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you about how I've really made every day count and make it great. So I hope you can think about this and yeah, start doing something cool. Peace.